Okay guys, so this is ridiculous. I just got to my grandma's house and first of all, we just got hit with a big storm last night. So all of that, and then back here over there, all of that is, and then all of this. Yeah, it's bad. And then that branch fell down from that tree, probably. So like, dude, it's bad. All of our furniture blew and stuff. And then back here, first of all, that broke. All of his potato plants and stuff broke. All of my papa's. And then there used to be a little airplane right there. And that fell down right there. See, there's still little pieces of it. So, and then a tree fell down back here. Now this is just ridiculous. Like, come on, a tree? It was close to hitting the shed, but it had to hit all of my stuff, of course. So I just wanted to let you guys know, and maybe you can comment in the section below if you got hit by the storm and how bad it is. And yeah, there's just a lot of leaves and sticks everywhere. So I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.